Viking yachts are the perfect synthesis of performance, luxury, and lifestyle. From the sleek and aggressive exterior to the meticulously crafted interior, every aspect demonstrates excellence. High-powered engines meet the serene comfort of staterooms, providing a unique experience on the water. They are ideal for enthusiasts and lifestyle connoisseurs who value adventure without compromising on comfort. Their reputation in international sport fishing tournaments and global luxury boating circles speaks for itself. Innovative engineering and lifestyle-centric design make Viking yachts a symbol of status and adventure. For those looking for both thrilling performance and high-end luxury living, Viking yachts remain unmatched. Create memories that last a lifetime. Every moment on a Viking yacht feels cinematic and extraordinary.
Welcome back to my channel, Auto Gear Hub. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and luxurious sport fishing yachts in the world, the Viking Yachts series. Known for its perfect blend of offshore performance, unmatched craftsmanship, and sheer luxury, Viking Yachts has set the benchmark in the sport fishing and luxury boating industry. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through its exterior design, interior comforts, advanced features, performance capabilities, and of course, pricing. So you get a complete picture of what makes these yachts a dream for enthusiasts worldwide. Starting with the exterior, Viking Yachts instantly capture attention with their aggressive yet elegant styling. The bow cuts through the water with confidence, and the sleek hull design not only looks stunning, but ensures stability in rough seas. From the front, the yacht's glossy white hull gleams under the sunlight, reflecting the ocean waves and giving it a commanding presence. The 45-degree side angles perfectly highlight the curves of the Flybridge and cockpit, emphasizing both performance and aesthetic elegance. Whether it's gliding through calm turquoise waters or powering through choppy offshore waves, Viking Yachts manage to turn heads with every movement. The stern features a spacious deck with twin engines producing powerful wakes, while the sport fishing cockpit is meticulously designed for anglers, featuring mounted rods, wide open space, and optimized accessibility for tournament-level fishing. Every exterior detail speaks of precision engineering and luxury craftsmanship, from the polished stainless steel railings to the integrated navigation antennas. Moving on to the Flybridge. This is where control and comfort meet seamlessly. The helm is equipped with advanced navigation systems, multiple displays, and ergonomically designed controls that make offshore navigation intuitive. The Flybridge offers a commanding view of the horizon, and the seating is crafted with premium leather to ensure comfort during long cruises. The lighting is thoughtfully integrated, providing both functionality and style. This elevated deck is ideal for overseeing sport fishing action or simply enjoying the panoramic ocean views. In addition, subtle ambient LED lighting around the Flybridge ensures a sophisticated atmosphere during evening cruises. Now, let's step inside the interior, where Viking Yachts truly demonstrate luxury on the water. The salon is spacious, bathed in natural light streaming through panoramic windows. High-end wooden cabinetry, soft beige leather seating, and carefully curated finishes create a warm, inviting environment. Every detail, from the polished table surfaces to the subtle LED ambient lighting, speaks of meticulous craftsmanship. For lifestyle enthusiasts, this space is perfect for both relaxing and entertaining, offering a serene ocean view at every angle. A young woman can casually enjoy the space, leaning near the panoramic windows or walking across the salon, enhancing the lifestyle appeal of the yacht. The galley is fully equipped with modern appliances, polished countertops, and plenty of storage. Whether preparing a casual snack or a full gourmet meal, the galley combines functionality with high-end finishes. Adjacent to the galley, the dining area features elegant seating arrangements that can comfortably accommodate guests while maintaining an intimate, luxurious feel. Moving forward to the master stateroom, the focus is on comfort and privacy. The room is spacious, with a large bed, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows offering breathtaking ocean views. Polished wood, soft linens, and high-quality fixtures make this cabin feel like a five-star hotel room on water. Each additional stateroom and guest cabin maintains this high standard of luxury, ensuring that every guest enjoys a first-class experience. Performance is where Viking Yachts shine, and this is no exaggeration. With twin powerful engines, these Yachts can cruise at impressive speeds while maintaining stability and smoothness, even in offshore conditions. The whole design has been meticulously engineered to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency while providing exceptional handling. Whether maneuvering through tight marina spaces or accelerating into open sea, Viking yachts offer precise control and an exhilarating ride. The sport fishing cockpit is purpose-built for serious anglers, featuring integrated rod holders, live wells, and ample space for fishing gear. The yacht's layout ensures that sport fishing action does not interfere with luxury and comfort, providing a perfect balance between adventure and indulgence. For lifestyle enthusiasts, Viking yachts also excel in entertainment and relaxation features. The salon and Flybridge are ideal for socializing, hosting gatherings, or simply enjoying solitude while cruising. Panoramic windows in every cabin offer uninterrupted ocean views, while the ambient LED lighting and high-quality finishes create a warm, inviting atmosphere at night. Imagine sipping a glass of champagne as the sun sets over the horizon, the water reflecting golden tones across the hull, and the soft hum of twin engines in the background. These yachts are not just vessels. They are a statement of lifestyle, adventure, and refinement. When it comes to technology, Viking yachts integrate state-of-the-art systems seamlessly. From navigation and communication to entertainment and lighting, every aspect has been designed for intuitive operation. The helm features touchscreen displays, radar systems, autopilot, and advanced instrumentation, allowing both experienced and novice captains to navigate confidently. Interior lighting can be customized to suit mood and time of day, while integrated sound systems ensure immersive audio experiences. Even details like climate control, window shades, and seating arrangements are designed for both comfort and luxury. The versatility of Viking yachts is another reason they remain leaders in the market. Convertible models are perfect for open-sea adventures and sport fishing tournaments, while enclosed bridge versions provide all-weather comfort and enhanced privacy. Lengths range from approximately 50 feet to over 90 feet, offering options for both small families and extended voyages with multiple guests, ensuring an unparalleled experience on water. The combination of innovative engineering, luxurious interiors, advanced technology, and lifestyle-centric design makes Viking yachts a symbol of status, adventure, and leisure. For anyone looking to invest in a yacht that can deliver both thrilling sport fishing performance and high-end luxury living, Viking yachts remain unmatched. They offer a lifestyle of elegance, adventure, and freedom, creating memories on water that last a lifetime, from sunrise cruises to sunset reflections. Every moment on a Viking yacht feels cinematic and extraordinary. So, whether you're a seasoned yachtsman, a luxury lifestyle enthusiast, or someone simply looking to experience the pinnacle of sport fishing, Viking yachts are worth every bit of attention. Their timeless design, meticulous craftsmanship, and performance capabilities ensure that every journey is not just a trip across water, but a truly unforgettable adventure. That's it for today's detailed review of Viking yachts here on Auto Gear Hub. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most luxurious and high-performance yachts in the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest luxury car and yacht reviews. Stay tuned for more epic reviews, exclusive insights, and cinematic yacht tours only here on Auto Gear Hub.